students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, the second chapter in civics, that is diversity and discrimination. Today we are going to discuss the third part, that is about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and how we get the equality in our country. And who is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? He is a freedom fighter, we all know, and he is also called as a father of Indian Constitution. What does constitution means? Book of law. Which contain the fundamental principles and rules and regulations for all the people among the country. And he is also called as a leader of Dalit. He is called as a leader of Dalit because he belongs to the Dalit caste people. He completed his schooling in India. On completing his schooling stage, he faced a lot of discrimination among the people. So he thought we have to bring some changes in our community, in our society. So he completed his schooling and he went to the England. He completed his college studies in England and became the lawyer. Then he come back, he encouraged the Dalit peoples to join in the government jobs, to do the other jobs, and he encouraged them to join in the government jobs. Then he get the priority of the Dalits to get entering into the temple. Before he fight for the right to get entering into the temple. Before that, the Dalit people, they should not enter into the temple. Ambedkar, he fight and he get the right that the Dalit people, they can enter into the temple. Then, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he converted to Buddhism. For what reason? All the people treat everyone equally. In the Buddhism, they said that everyone are equal, all the person are equal, there is no discrimination, there is no inequality in Buddhism. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he converted to Buddhism. And then the striving of equality. In 1947, we got freedom from the British. We got the freedom to improve the life of the Dalits, the women, the tribal people, and for the peasants, for treating everyone equally, because the high caste people and the low caste people, there was an inequality, and the high caste people were discriminating the low caste people. So we need the equal rights for all the people. So after the freedom also we faced, after 1947, after the independence, we can say after the independence also, in India there was inequality existed. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he created the constitution, that is a book of law, where all the people should be treated in an equal way. If the people, they are discriminating or treating the other people unequally and discriminating the others, it will be considered as a crime. And they will be punished by the law. And there was no compulsory to follow the certain religion, to speak certain language. So all the people, they have right to speak different language, they can move for different religion, they can follow any culture, all the people, they have right to celebrate their own festival. These are all the freedoms brought by our freedom fighters to our country. And finally, India became the secular country. So the government, mostly the main point is government should treat everyone equally. This was the main law made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar that government should treat all the people equally. So finally, India became the secular country for all the people. Not there is no inequality and the lower caste and the upper caste people. There is no discrimination. So everything was abolished and India became the land of diversity. So this is about diversity and discrimination. Thank you and have a great day.